What if a simple kitchen ingredient could change your health forever? In the next few minutes, you'll discover the surprising power of drinking baking soda water and how it may help make 7 common health problems vanish like magic. From soothing heartburn to balancing your body's pH, this age-old remedy is making a serious comeback, especially for seniors looking to feel younger, lighter, and more energized. But here's the catch: you need to drink it the right way to see the real benefits. Want to know how? Stick around to learn the exact method and timing, and why doctors are quietly buzzing about it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more senior health tips that truly work. Lesson 1. Ease heartburn and acid reflux naturally. Have you ever felt that burning sensation rising from your chest after a meal? You're not alone. Heartburn and acid reflux are incredibly common, especially as we age. But what if relief could come not from a pill, but from something already in your kitchen? That's right, baking soda water may be the gentle, natural solution you've been missing. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, works as a natural antacid. When mixed with water and consumed properly, it can neutralize stomach acid almost instantly, offering quick relief without the side effects of some over-the-counter medications. For seniors especially, this can be a game changer. No more struggling with acid creeping up the throat during sleep or feeling like your chest is on fire after dinner. But here's something worth thinking about: if nature offers a remedy that's fast, simple, and almost free, why aren't more people using it? The truth is, many don't know how to take baking soda water safely and effectively. That's where the real secret lies. When used in the right way and at the right time, baking soda water can help restore comfort and improve digestion without disrupting your daily life. Whether it's spicy food, late-night snacks, or just a sensitive stomach, this one remedy could make all the difference. So, would you try this natural method before reaching for that next antacid tablet? Tell us below, because the next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss. Lesson 2. Support kidney health by reducing acid load. As we grow older, our kidneys naturally lose some of their efficiency. They work day and night to filter waste, toxins, and excess acid from our blood. But did you know that too much acid in your body can quietly strain your kidneys over time, increasing the risk of chronic kidney issues? Here's where a surprising remedy steps in: baking soda water. When consumed properly, baking soda helps neutralize excess acid in the body. This may help reduce the overall acid load your kidneys need to process, giving them a well-deserved break. For seniors, this small change in habit could mean big benefits for long-term kidney health, especially if you're already managing high blood pressure or diabetes, which are leading causes of kidney problems. One of the most promising studies even suggests that baking soda may slow down the progression of kidney disease when taken under proper guidance. Imagine that, a simple, inexpensive ingredient with the potential to protect one of your body's most vital organs. But here's the question you should ask yourself: if something so easy can help support my kidneys, what's stopping me from trying it? Often, we wait until symptoms appear before taking action, but proactive steps like this can make all the difference in how we age. This isn't just about staying out of the doctor's office. It's about feeling lighter, healthier, and more energetic every day. With just a glass of baking soda water a few times a week, you might be giving your kidneys the gift of relief. Would you give your kidneys this simple support starting today? Drop your answer below, because the next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss. Lesson 3. Alkalize the body for better overall balance. As we age, our bodies naturally become more acidic due to stress, poor diet, medications, and slower metabolism. This hidden acidity can quietly affect everything from your energy levels to your immune system and even how your joints feel. But what if one simple drink could help bring your body back into balance? That's where baking soda water steps in. Baking soda is an alkaline substance. When mixed with water and consumed properly, it may help neutralize excess acid in the body, promoting a more balanced pH level. Why does this matter? Because when your body is too acidic, it becomes a perfect environment for inflammation, fatigue, and even chronic diseases to thrive. But when your pH is more balanced, your body can function at its best. For seniors especially, this balance is key. It can help ease joint discomfort, support better digestion, and even strengthen the immune system, all without expensive supplements or complicated routines. Just a glass of baking soda water a few times a week could be a step toward feeling lighter, more energized, and in control of your health again. But here's a powerful question to consider. If your body is silently struggling with acidity, wouldn't you want to fix the root instead of just masking the symptoms? So many seniors go through the day feeling off without knowing why. This simple shift could help bring back the clarity, energy, and comfort you've been missing. Have you ever felt like your body just needs a reset? Let us know in the comments, because the next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss. Lesson 4. Soothe uric acid joint pain naturally. Joint pain isn't just a sign of aging, it can often be traced back to something more specific, uric acid buildup. When uric acid levels rise too high in the body, it can crystallize in the joints, causing sharp pain, stiffness, and inflammation, especially in the feet and knees. If you've ever experienced a sudden flare-up that left you limping or uncomfortable, you know exactly how frustrating it can be. But here's some hopeful news. Baking soda water may help provide natural relief. Baking soda, when taken properly in water, may help neutralize excess uric acid in the bloodstream. This process can make it easier for your kidneys to flush it out, reducing the chances of those painful flare-ups and stiffness that so often interrupt your day. For seniors managing gout or chronic joint pain, this could be a game changer, especially when looking for gentler, more natural solutions. Imagine being able to move more freely, walk longer, or simply enjoy your day without that dull ache constantly holding you back. No expensive treatments, no complicated diets, just a simple drink with powerful potential. Now ask yourself this: if something as simple as a glass of water with baking soda could ease your joint pain, isn't it worth trying at least once? We often overlook natural remedies in search of quick fixes, but sometimes the best support comes from the simplest sources. Don't underestimate what a small change can do for your comfort, mobility, and quality of life. Have your joints been trying to tell you something lately? Share your thoughts below, because the next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss. Lesson 5. Improve digestive health and reduce bloating. As we age, our digestive system doesn't always work the way it used to. You may feel full too quickly, experience frequent bloating, or struggle with irregular bowel movements. For many seniors, these discomforts become a daily routine. But what if one simple drink could help bring back digestive ease? That's exactly what baking soda water may offer: natural relief from within. Baking soda is alkaline, and when mixed with water, it can help neutralize excess stomach acid and support smoother digestion. It may reduce gas, relieve bloating, and improve how your body breaks down food, instead of reaching for antacids or laxatives. This gentle home remedy offers a more balanced approach to digestive health, and it's as easy as sipping a glass of water. This can be especially helpful after large meals, eating late at night, or when your stomach just feels off. By calming your digestive tract and promoting proper pH levels, baking soda water can support regularity and help you feel lighter and more comfortable throughout the day. But here's something to think about: how often do you ignore your digestion until it becomes a real problem? Most people don't take action until discomfort gets in the way of daily life, but it doesn't have to be that way. With one simple, natural change to your routine, you can reclaim your comfort and confidence at the table. It's about more than just digestion, it's about quality of life. Have you ever wished you could feel good after every meal? Not just some? Tell us in the comments, because the next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss. Lesson 6. Boost energy and reduce fatigue. Feeling tired all the time isn't just about getting older, it's often a sign that something deeper is out of balance. For many seniors, that constant fatigue or sluggishness is a daily battle. But what if your low energy had more to do with internal acidity than with aging? That's where baking soda water comes in as a surprising, natural solution. Baking soda helps reduce excess acid in the body, which can restore a more balanced internal environment. When your body is too acidic, it may cause fatigue, muscle weakness, and even mental fog. Drinking baking soda water, when done safely and properly, can help support cellular energy production and leave you feeling more awake and refreshed. Think about it: your body is like a battery. When it's too acidic, it runs low and sluggish. But when your internal pH is balanced, everything functions better, your muscles move more easily, your brain stays sharper, and your mood improves. And best of all, this boost doesn't require caffeine, sugar, or supplements, just a little bit of nature's own neutralizer. But here's a question worth asking: are you tired because you're aging? Or because your body is quietly out of balance? This small shift could mean fewer afternoon naps, more time doing what you love, and waking up feeling truly rested. It's a simple, affordable, and refreshing change that might be just what your body's been asking for. Have you been feeling more tired lately, even when you sleep well? Share your thoughts below, because the next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss. Lesson 7. Promote oral health and freshen breath. Oral health becomes increasingly important as we age, not just for a bright smile, but for overall well-being. Gum sensitivity, tooth decay, and bad breath can creep in slowly, often without warning. But did you know that drinking baking soda water might actually support a healthier mouth from the inside out? Baking soda is well known for its ability to neutralize acids, and that doesn't just apply to your stomach. It can also balance the pH levels in your mouth, helping reduce harmful bacteria that thrive in acidic environments. When you drink baking soda water, it can help reduce mouth acidity, fight off odor-causing germs, and even soothe irritated gums. For seniors who struggle with dry mouth, denture discomfort, or recurring bad breath, this simple remedy can be a game changer. It's gentle, affordable, and doesn't require any harsh chemicals or complicated routines. Plus, it may help protect tooth enamel and slow down plaque buildup when used as part of your oral care routine. Now consider this: if a simple drink could support your oral health and keep your breath fresh throughout the day, wouldn't you want to make it a daily habit? Many seniors invest time and money into dental visits and products, yet overlook one of the easiest ways to maintain oral freshness from the inside. Baking soda water may be the gentle ally your mouth has been waiting for. Have you ever noticed how much your confidence depends on how fresh your breath feels? Let us know in the comments, because the next step holds something you definitely don't want to miss. Conclusion: if you've made it this far, chances are you've discovered just how powerful a simple glass of baking soda water can be. Whether it's for digestion, energy, joint relief, or kidney support, this natural remedy holds real promise. But now, we'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried baking soda water? What benefits did you notice, or what are you hoping to improve? Your feedback could inspire someone else to take that first healthy step. So if this video helped you even a little, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your support helps us bring more simple, effective health tips your way.